Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll explore how to land a sponsored job in Austria as a foreigner. Austria is known for its rich culture, stunning landscapes, but is also a hub of economic stability. With a strong focus on industries like manufacturing, tourism, and healthcare and technology, Austria's economy consistently ranks amongst the best in Europe. Unemployment rates are low, and the government supports hiring skilled foreign workers to fill the gaps in labor shortages. So, if you're looking for an opportunity in a growing economy, Austria might just be the perfect destination. If you're new, I'm Ashika, and I talk about moving across the world to work or study. And with that, let's dive in. Let's talk about the cost of living in Austria. It can vary depending on the city and lifestyle. For a single person, Vienna will cost you 1,200 to 1,500 euros a month. In Salzburg, it's 1,100 to 1,400 euros a month. And in Innsbruck, it will cost you anywhere from 1,100 to 1,300 euros a month. Talking about a family of four, in Vienna, it's 2,800 to 3,500. Salzburg is 2,600 to 3,200, and Innsbruck is 2,500 to 3,000 euros per month. Major expenses include rent, groceries, and transportation and healthcare. While Vienna is more affordable than many other European capitals, smaller cities can offer lower costs. Austria has a variety of in-demand roles across industries. Here are some of the top professions for you to keep in mind. Software developers with the average salary of 55,000 to 75,000 euros a year. Mechanical engineers with an average salary of 50 to 70,000 euros a year, doctors and healthcare workers who make on an average 60 to 90,000 euros a year, accountants with an average salary of 45 to 60,000 euros a year, and hotel managers with an average salary of 40 to 55,000 euros a year. Foreign workers are in high demand for several roles. For starters, IT specialists, no surprise there, with an average salary of 50 to 70,000 euros a year. There's nurses and caregivers with an average salary of 40 to 60,000 euros a year, chefs and hospitality workers with an average salary of 25,000 to 40,000 a year, and construction workers with an average salary of 30 to 45,000 euros a year. There's also warehouse workers and logistics staff with an average salary of 25 to 35,000 euros a year. Now, do keep in mind that these jobs often require language skills, though English-speaking roles are growing in IT and hospitality. Now, here's how you can secure a job in Austria as a foreigner. For starters, polish off your CV and tailor it to Austrian standards, focusing on your skills and professional experience. In case you aren't aware, many countries have different requirements for CVs, so you will have to make sure that yours suits all of the Austrian requirements. Next up, learn German. While English is sufficient for some jobs, German proficiency will significantly boost your chances. And by learning German, you can also end up with a chance to get a job in many European countries. Next, use platforms like LinkedIn and attend job fairs to connect with employers. You can do this online or offline. Next, remember to apply strategically. Focus on industries which have labor shortages because you have a higher chance of getting a job there. Now, it's important for you to know where to apply for these jobs. So these are the top 10 portals in Austria that can help you get all of the job openings, many of which offer sponsorship. There's Career.at, there's Stepstone.at, Jobs.at, LinkedIn, AMS, which is the Public Employment Service in Austria, Indeed Austria, Monster Austria, Zing, Hotelcareer.at, and job leads. Next, let's talk about how you can get a visa. Austria offers various visa options for foreign workers. There's the Red White Red Card, which is designed for skilled workers in shortage occupations. It requires a job offer with a minimum salary threshold. There's also the Job Seeker Visa, which allows skilled professionals to stay in Austria for 6 months to find a job. There's also a Normal Work Visa, which is linked directly to an employment contract. Now, these are the steps to apply for a visa. First off, you absolutely need to secure a job offer. You can actually find job offers in all of the websites that I mentioned earlier. Once you receive your job offer, you would need to gather your required documents, which is your passport, employment contract, qualifications, etc. And you would need to submit your application at the Austrian consulate or embassy. Now, the wait time is approximately 4 to 8 weeks, so you have to be patient. Remember, Austria is a fantastic destination for skilled workers, offering competitive salaries, a high quality of life, and diverse job opportunities. By targeting in-demand sectors, leveraging job portals, and understanding the visa process, you can make your dream of working in Austria a reality. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.